Hello, this is another quick video I thought I would do. I've put together this compact survival kit, which all fits into a OneTigris pouch. And I'm just trying to think of all of the bits and pieces that you could actually have strapped to your belt rather than having them in your bag. So if you had to leave your bag or you lost your bag, then at least if this is on your belt in a pouch, you've got a second chance. So I'll just go through them. I'll start off with this is some pure cotton orange cloth cut from an orange t-shirt. It's only a strip, but it's good enough to actually put around a branch of a tree, so you know where your bag is. Also for filtering water, which is rather useful into a bottle or something. After that, we have one of these larger than life emergency blankets. It's bigger than the standard size. I can't remember what the exact measurements are, but that's an emergency blanket. And here we have the OutKit survival bag, which contains taped seams, and this one is 91 centimeters by 213 centimeters, so it's quite big. Tape seams to keep you warm and protected from the elements in an emergency. Very compact size. It's about the same size as footprint as that emergency blanket, so it doesn't take up much space, and I can't remember how much it weighs, but it's nothing to worry about. After that, we have got a homemade cardboard cordage holder, and this is around about 5 meters of micro cord, which I believe has a 100 pound breaking strain or something like that. Then an emergency whistle with a meter of cordage around that as well, so you can put it around your neck if you really need to. We've got some aqua tabs for the purifying water, a Bic lighter. This is a piece of fire card. You can just scrape a bit of it wrapped up in foil. So you can just scrape some of this off to help you actually get a fire going if you need to. I've wrapped it fairly well, I think, but that's what it is. It's just a bit of impregnated fire card, which I've had for ages, and I've used a couple of times on camps. But yeah, there you are. You can just see the stuff in there, and you can fluff that up. And it's actually got quite a cotton wool kind of consistency when you start fluffing it up. Quite good, quite useful. And of course, as we all know, foil is quite useful too. Right, BCB ferro rod needs no introduction, with a compass there, good enough to get you some cardinal bearings. I have put some Gorilla Tape around the striker, so it doesn't actually pierce anything, and of course the Gorilla Tape has its own uses, as we all know. Next we've got, this is just a spare Victorinox knife I've got. It's just the waiter, which only has a blade and a bottle opener and a corkscrew, as well as the toothpick and tweezers as well, but very useful. So you've at least got a knife. BCB reflective mirror for rescue. Apparently they have a reflective up to a 10-mile range, which is really quite useful. Quite compact. They come with a string as well, and this is a string, so you can, it really is quite reflective and quite good. Now, along with that, we have this stealth stove from Polymath. They're very easy to put together, and I find it's incredibly useful to put this in this kit so that you can have the standard stove, which just literally, you see I've used it once or twice. This just literally slots together. There's probably lots of videos on YouTube about this, so I'm not showing anything new here at all, but there you are. That just slots together, and if you want to, you can insert this into the bottom, and you can put something on that to burn. Put your pot on top if you like, or a can if you can find a can somewhere to actually burn something, and heat some water up. Purify your water with the tablets. Very useful. And then I also have this stainless steel mirror, which I've had for ages. It's rock solid. I find it very, very useful, so I've just added that. I think that's about it really. It's just a very compact survival kit in case you get separated from your backpack, and you can actually fit the whole lot back in here very easily, and it can then clip straight onto the back of your belt. I just push it all in here like so, and I find it works really rather well. So I always put a shiny bit of the mirror against the inside flap of that, and then we can put some Pura tabs in there, and shove that in the top, Victorinox knife down the side, and then we can dismantle this stove, and I'll be there in a sec. Sorry about the noise. Pop that in there. There we are. That's a stealth stove packed away. That goes in there as well. And in the very front pocket, we can pop in a lighter, the fire card, and a ferro rod. So you've got pretty much everything you need. If you can put all of that on your belt to save having to carry it in your rucksack. And yeah, there we are. That's about it really. Thanks for watching, and until next time, bye bye.